Henry, what are you doing? What are you doing? Bring it over, I'll help you fix it. Henry, what happened? Huh? Did your straw come out of your juice? Do you want me to fix it? Bring it over. Did you pee-pee? Did you go pee-pee in your diaper?
No.
Oh. Did you poopy?
No.
What's that? Yes or no? Do you want to go use the potty?
No.
What? Henry? Do you want to use the potty?
No.
You don't like the potty? What's that?
That.
Huh? What are you touching?
Me.
Is that your tractor? What? Do you need a poopy?